Assalamualaikum. Ito na guys, ready to eat na our roast caldo with eggs. Ayan. And this is garlic, pritong garlic, and this is spring onion, and of course, and this is my coffee. Ayan. And this is my water. Ayan siya guys. Ready to eat na. Kain tayo. And don't forget to share and like and comment below para mapuntahan ko po yung mga bahay nyo. And thank you for watching and have a good day to everyone. Thank you very much for watching. Bye and see you in my next video. Bye.